Hey everybody, we got our next product in from Suparee. This is the third taillight for the Ram 1500. This is a waterproof LED aftermarket light for your Ram truck. And we're going to take a look at this. Love that sound. All right. We're going to be doing a little bit more in-depth install here later on, but as you can see, this is a pretty nice looking unit, and this is supposed to be a quick, easy install. You just remove your current third taillight by undoing the screws, pop this in. Here's the replacement pad for it. And you just screw it in once you get it all connected. So let's go test this out. Whoops, squeaky voice. And as you can see, this is another fine product from Suparee. Already you can see the amount of LED bulbs in here, so this is going to be probably something that's very, very bright, which is going to be totally epic, because when you're doing anything at nighttime, this is supposed to have a really nice cargo light feature, which we're going to be testing. You want to have as much light as possible. Current third tail lights, their cargo lights in them are usually fairly weak, so I will be pretty excited to see how bright this is. And again, it's got the quick connector, so all you got to do is undo the screws on the back of your existing vehicle, put in the new pad, gasket, whatever you want to call it, seal, and screw it back in, and you should be good to rock and roll. So we're going to head on out there and see how quick and easy this is. Again, I want to say thank you to the sponsor, Suparee, for sending over these products that we've been receiving. Having a lot of fun with utilizing what they've sent. They sent over the wireless trailer light kit, which we did a video on. Link is down in the description. Was actually able to utilize that during my last trip out, because the trailer we had did not have any tail lights. So we had to drive a little ways, and that worked out really well. The magnet on it as well is super strong, and I will put a clip in on that as well.